What's up, you guys? Matt here with Texas Edge Home Inspections. Today, obviously I'm in an attic, but what I want to talk to you about is this water heater here behind me. Okay, so this house is about 2011 and the water heater was installed in 2017. Does not look like it was installed by a professional. I'm going to show you why. Check it out. So in order for me to continue with this video, I feel like first I need to show you something that is right, and not on the water heater, because that's not right at all. But the furnace back here behind me, I want to show you something called a sediment trap or a drip leg on the gas line to the furnace. Check it out. So here is the gas line running to the furnace. You can see the line comes in here, and then there's the valve, and just past the valve, it changes direction and then comes into the furnace, right? But also, it changes direction also to go into a length of pipe that is capped here at the bottom. This is called a drip leg, or a sediment trap. It catches any sediment that might be in the gas before it gets to this line and into the furnace itself that might cause some damage. All right, now let me take you over to the water heater and show you how they did it there. All right, so here's the water heater and here's the gas line coming in. You can see we've got the valve, but then we don't have any sediment trap situation. Instead, we switch straight to this flex pipe. But okay, here they put in a sediment trap, but well, this is pointed straight out, so this really isn't going to catch anything at all. This needs to be pointed down in order for sediment to fall in it. This is not configured correctly, and this is how I can tell this is probably not installed by a professional. But let's move up here because I want to show you the flue. The flue is not only completely disconnected, but we are missing the draft hood itself. So this is completely exhausting into the attic space, and this is not a good situation at all. So as you can see, those two items right there lead me to believe that this water heater right here, installed only a few years ago, was not installed by a professional, and it is not done well at all. As a matter of fact, it's potentially could cause some harm and is dangerous to run like this. So of course we're going to bring this up right away, make sure the buyer knows before they move in. But in this case, with this flue like this, we're going to make sure the seller knows, because they've got kids and we don't want them living here with this situation. I don't know how long it's been going on, but we certainly don't want it to go on any longer. We want to try to get in front of this as much as we can. All right, Matt with Texas Edge Home Inspections. I'm going to finish up inspecting this property. Hey, give me a call so I can inspect your next house. Bye now.
Hey you guys, thanks for watching. Please feel free to like and share, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, head on over to YouTube and hit subscribe.